Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today we talk about HYTE Y60 three-sided panoramic glass Snow White edition cheeses. So friend, the release of its new HYTE brand PCase Y60 Snow White has commented, and this three-sided panoramic glass case is to set hit the market and estimated to have a market price of $354 USD. And friend, the Y60 Snow White is a new color variation of HYTE Y60 which has launched in Japan April 2022. While the previous white model already on sale featured a black interior, the white Y60 Snow White is now unified white design both inside and outside. And front, it has no changes in its basic specification and has a cooling fan configuration of 120 or 140 into 2 on the side, 120 mm into 3 on the top, and 120 mm into 1 on the rear, or 120 mm or 140 mm into 2 on the bottom. And front can support graphics card up to 375 mm long and 75 mm thick. And front, the power supply unit depth is 235 mm and maximum height of the CPU cooler is 160 mm. And front, it supports various form factor including E-ATX, ATX, MicroATX and Mini-ITX. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.